Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own color palette in Adobe Illustrator CC. Super simple. You're just going to grab the ellipse tool here. You can also choose the rectangle tool if you want. Let's just use the rectangle tool for this. And choose two colors that you want. I'm just going to choose this kind of purple, and I am going to choose like an orange, for instance. Very random. And then I am going to make sure I align them perfectly. I'm just going to select both of the shapes, go to Object, Blend, and select Make. If yours look like this, you can go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, make sure you select Preview, select Specified Steps, and choose like a small number. Okay, maybe like 5 or 4 maybe. If it's close like this, maybe I should keep them a little bit more apart and make the shape smaller. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Copy and paste, and then I'm just going to align it again. Make sure the distance is very far. And I'm also going to then choose orange again for this one. Again, selecting both, go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, and then Make. Then you have this beautiful color palette, and you can do it with like lots of colors, and it's going to create this cool color palette. And that is it. To separate them, you're just going to go to Object and Expand and in Group so you can select it like one by one, like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!